I am a beautiful and strong Samoan woman. The flower signifies the beauty of a Samoan woman. When you wear a flower on the right side, means you're available and ready to mingle. Talofa, my name is Niikkee. I'm the Retail Operations Supervisor at the Utah Distribution Center. I am a Samoan, very proud Samoan. Beauty in our culture focuses on what nature has to offer. Coconut oil is pretty much the main thing that we use to flourish and nourish our bodies. We use it for our hair, and we also use it for our traditional dances to make our body shine. I grew up dancing too. It was something to help us express ourselves. My mom was a dancer, so I take after my mom. When I first started at Sephora, I was a operations coordinator. I got promoted a little over a year ago. On a daily basis, we are in charge of picking, packing, and shipping the orders for our retail stores. There's something for everyone at Sephora. I love the diversity that we have, especially with our DC, our distribution center. I get to learn about a lot of different cultures, so I love that. We have a really great team, so the people is why I love working for Sephora. I was born and raised in American Samoa. Our culture focuses on God, family, and building relationships with everyone. Being Samoan, respect was a really big thing, and I think that has really made me the person I am today. Confidence is something that I really struggled with growing up, and being part of the Sephora family has really helped me gain that confidence. I graduated with a high school diploma, and through a mentor like my manager, I was able to learn all these skills, and Sephora has really helped me with that. Now I'm able to do the same thing for another associate, and we continue to develop everyone on a daily basis. That's something I would tell my 11-year-old self, Niikkee Pan Can, you got this.